Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, March 7th, 2017. It's currently 9:47 a.m. and we have a warm front that is on the way that is going to bring much milder conditions to the forecast area. We have showers moving through the region this morning, and they will continue on through this afternoon, with temperatures rising into the mid to upper 50s along the coast and upper 50s to lower 60s in the Delaware River Valley. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s in the New York City metro and in suburbs, and mid to upper 40s in the Philadelphia metro, upper 40s to lower 50s on the southern New Jersey coast. Winds will veer to the southwest at around 10 to 20 miles per hour this afternoon as that warm front moves northward, and with it, much warmer conditions. On the radar right now, we have waves of showers that are continuing to move through the region. These showers will be capable of heavy downpours at times. We'll get a little bit of a break this afternoon, and then once again returning in the evening hours with some of these showers capable of heavy downpours. On the infrared satellite picture, that warm front is moving northward. This cold front will be moving through tomorrow. Now, behind this cold front, not much in the way of any cold air. It's more of a modified Pacific air mass, so we're not really expecting much in the drop in temperatures, but it will be capable of producing some heavier downpours during the morning hours, especially in the rush hour as the cold front moves through. So we'll watch that very carefully. Not expecting much in the way of thunderstorms. Could be an isolated thunderstorm capable of a heavy downpour and wind gusts over 30 miles per hour, but that is pretty much about it. Behind this cold front, though, by Friday, that's when we're going to see one very impressive cold front capable of even some snow squalls and much colder temperatures. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, that warm front continues to push northward. Look for periods of showers, high temperatures in the mid to upper 50s along the coast and upper 50s to lower 60s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight, showers will continue on through tomorrow morning as that cold front approaches. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s. The cold front will clear the coast between 10 a.m. tomorrow and 2 p.m. in the afternoon from west to east, with clearing skies immediately after it. Look for high temperatures to rise into the upper 50s to lower 60s throughout the region. On Thursday, a cold front will approach the region with some scattered cloud cover, but not much in the way of a temperature impact. Look for winds from the west around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Look for lows in the mid 40s and highs in the mid to upper 50s. On Friday, this low pressure system will linger to the south of the region, and this outer cold front will be dropping south. This outer cold front will be supporting some snow squalls. We're going to watch that very carefully, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Not expecting much in the way of accumulation because of the temperatures. Low temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. So we'll be above freezing for much of the day, but I can't rule out some snow accumulation on some cold surfaces and on the grass. Again, not expecting much, but we'll keep an eye on it and see how it evolves. But for the most part, we'll watch this low pressure system quickly move out. This cold front drops south with periods of rain and snow showers change over to snow showers throughout the region. On Saturday, high pressure will build in. Look for a strong northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and it is going to be cold once again on Saturday. So pretty much it's almost a rinse and repeat of last week, where we were warm during the middle of the week, and then the weekend is very cold, and that's essentially what's happening on Saturday, with temperatures in the mid-teens for lows and upper 20s to lower 30s for highs with windy conditions. We're going to watch this low pressure system very carefully. This low pressure system is expected to remain to the south of the region, and on Sunday, well south of the region, and thus high pressure will be in control, but scattered cloud cover can't rule out a few flurries. Lows in the mid to upper teens, highs in the lower to mid 30s. Now, if this low pressure system on Saturday ends up slightly further north, and that tracks due east towards, let's say, Virginia and the Delmarva Peninsula, then we may be talking about more potential for accumulating snowfall. The question really isn't in temperatures. It will be cold enough to snow. The problem is that the storm is likely going to be suppressed well to our south, and thus only leading to scattered cloud cover and maybe a few flurries. So, again, looking for temperatures on Sunday in the mid to upper teens, highs in the lower to mid 30s, with scattered cloud cover and a few flurries. On Monday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper teens, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Tuesday, an area low pressure will approach the region and move up towards the Great Lakes producing periods of showers. Look for lows in the lower 30s and highs in the lower to mid 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.